So, now we are going to look at the difference. Apakah perbezaannya antara present perfect simple versus present perfect continuous? Okay, apakah perbezaan dia? Selain daripada perbezaan pertama dari segi penulisan, ya. So, have or has, ed, the participle tense, and also present perfect continuous is has or have been, ing. So, the first difference in the writing form, perbezaan pertama, dari segi penulisan dia dah tak sama, kan? Okay. Satu ialah has atau have at the participle, and present perfect continuous has or have been at ing. Okay. So the second difference is we use the present perfect simple to focus on the results of a completed action or how many times something has happened. Kita akan guna yang ini untuk menunjukkan lebih kepada akibat ataupun beberapa kali perkara ini, aktiviti ini dilakukan. Okay. However, we use the present perfect continuous to focus on the action itself or how long something has been happening. Untuk ini, bukan kepada akibat tapi lebih kepada aksi yang sedang berlangsung dan asyik berlangsung. Okay? Asyik berlangsung dan berlangsung sampai bila. Okay? So this one is more on the result. Ini lebih kepada akibatnya, lebih kepada frekuensi dia, berapa kali dia berlaku. Ini lebih kepada aksi itu sendiri, aktiviti itu sendiri, dan berapa lama aktiviti ini berlaku. Okay? So, it is unimportant whether the action has finished or not. Kedua-dua tak penting lah kalau mana sama ada the action is finished or not. Okay, the activity is finished or not tak penting dalam kedua-dua, ya. Okay, so the first one, Carol has played squash once. Carol pernah main squash sekali. So ini menerangkan pengalaman dia, kan? Pengalaman sahaja. Bukan asyik main-main. Bukan asyik, kan? Sudah main. So, has played. Okay? Yang ni, Kevin's been practicing in the skateboarding park all weekend. Dia asyik berlatih di skateboarding park sepanjang minggu. Asyik buat sesuatu sepanjang minggu. So, satu telah main. Satu asyik practice. Asyik berlatih. Tak sama. Okay? Has played and has been practicing. Satu sudah berlaku, satu asyik berlaku. So that is the main difference between the present perfect simple and present perfect continuous. Now we are going to do the exercise together, the history of sports. So complete the text, use the present perfect simple or the present perfect continuous. Okay, guna sama ada ini ataupun ini. Alright, so the first one. While people play games and do sports practically since the beginning of time, ada since, kan? If we use the word since, asyik main, asyik buat sports, the rules which participants have had to follow, okay, tapi peraturan yang peserta kena ikut telah berubah mengikut masa, over the centuries. Asyik main, asyik buat sports telah berubah. So, satu asyik, yang dua ada asyik penekanan kepada aktiviti. Okay, emphasize on the activity itself, on the action itself. And number 3 is about something that has changed. Okay, this is about telah berubah. Okay, alright. So what do you think is the answer? So number 1 should be while people have been playing games and have been doing sport. Have been doing, can you see? Sport practically since the beginning of time. The rules which participants have had to follow The rules banyak tak? Peraturan banyak. So, have changed. Telah berubah. Okay? So, 1, 2, and 3 over the centuries. Experts, okay, orang pakar, historians, orang yang study sejarah, and archaeologists discover that sports a useful way for people to learn how to deal with nature and the environment better. Okay, experts, pakar-pakar, ahli sejarah, ahli arkeologi telah mendapat tahu. So, telah, sudah. So, we will use the present perfect simple. So, this one, banyak orang kan, experts, historians, and archaeologists. So, have discovered. Have discovered that sports, okay, bahawa sukan ialah, okay, ialah satu cara yang berkesan for people to learn how to deal with nature and the environment better. So, ini B. Okay, sampai sekarang masih benda macam ni kan? So, something that has started in the past and has continued until now. Something has started. Sport has started in the past and it's continued until now. So, we will use the present perfect simple. Sport. Only one sport. Singular. Has. Okay? B, you have to change it to been. Has been. Sport has been a useful way for people to learn how to deal with nature and the environment better. They also see that as societies develop, sports and games have too. Mereka juga nampak bahawa, okay, mereka juga nampak. So, tak ada specific time kan? Okay, look like this. Something has happened in the past but we don't know or we don't say exactly when. Tak ada masa, masa bila mereka nampak, bila mereka tahu kan. So, this one will be present perfect simple. They, so plural, banyak orang. Plural noun, so they have. See, tukar jadi seen. They have seen. They have also kan, mana also? They have also seen, okay, that as societies develop, sport and games have too. As societies develop, sesuatu yang berlaku dari dulu, masyarakat berbangkit. Sesuatu yang bermula dari dulu sampai sekarang. So, societies banyak. So, societies have developed. Have plural noun. So, plural verb. Have developed, sorry. Archaeologists find many which show athlete doing sports. This one, something's missing. Archaeologists study cave paintings for years now. So, 4 years now. So, this one, 4 years. So, this one menekankan kepada asyik study. Asyik mengajar. So, ini asyik study. Archaeologists asyik buat kajian. Okay? Sampai bertahun-tahun. So, this one, have been studying. Archaeologists, number 8, have been studying. Because of the keyword, 4 years. Okay? And they find many which show athletes doing sport. Mereka dapat mencari. Ini pengalaman mereka kan? Ini kajian, ini akibat kan? Lebih kepada akibat. Mereka telah mendapati akibat. So, we are going to look at number 9. Number 9 just now have found. Alright. Okay, they have found. Now we're going to look at number 10. Okay. In Libya, the cave of swimmers evidence show people taking part in competitive swimming. Evidence, bukti telah menunjukkan bahawa ada orang yang mengambil bahagian dalam pertandingan berenang. So, telah menunjukkan. Okay? Telah menunjukkan, bukan asyik menunjukkan kan. So, telah menunjukkan something that has happened in the past. Something that has happened in the past but we don't know when. Tak ada specific time. So, evidence has shown. Has show tukar jadi shown. Has shown people taking part in competitive swimming. Although experts not answer all the questions about why people play games and do sport, walaupun pakar-pakar tiada jawapan untuk kenapa orang main game, okay? Tiada jawapan, okay? So, ini lebih kepada akibat kan? So, have not answered. Bukan asyik tidak jawab, tapi tiada jawapan. Have not answered. Okay, number 12. Ya, tapi mereka telah menunjukkan, telah membuktikan bahawa nobody can argue about their importance in human history. Mereka telah menunjukkan, telah membuktikan. Something that has already happened, lebih kepada akibat. Telah membuktikan. Not asyik membuktikan. Right? So, they have proved. Proved, tukar jadi proved. Alright? So, there you go. The answer. Number 1 until number 12.